Welcome to our tutorial about the Press-Pull tool. This is another way to edit your solids. The Press-Pull command presses or pulls bounded areas. I'll create a couple solids now to demonstrate how the tool works. I've got a box. Now I'm going to insert a wedge. Let's activate the Press-Pull command. It's on the Modeling tab. When I mouse over the solid, its various faces are highlighted by the dashed line. Let's select a face and drag it. We can also enter a value numerically, say 1 unit, press Enter. The Press-Pull command moves the face parallel to the original face. Let's apply the Press-Pull command here so you can see that in action. Now let's select this face again, and when you're done, press Escape to close the tool. And this concludes our tutorial about the Press-Pull command.